What we often call baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a substance that Mother Nature naturally provides. This ingredient makes the dough puff up by creating carbon dioxide. Did you know it can also help to keep your body's pH level in check, helping you stay in top shape? In this video, we'll discuss the numerous benefits of adding baking soda to your daily routine. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Before we continue, we advise our viewers to consult with a doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes. Now, subscribe to the channel and let's explore. Number 9. Kidney health. Kidney stones are tiny rigid clusters of minerals that can build up inside your kidneys. If not dealt with correctly, they can cause quite a bit of discomfort and could even lead to more severe health issues. One of the main reasons for the creation of kidney stones is too much acid in your urine. When your urine is super acidic, these mineral clusters can harden and become kidney stones. Sodium bicarbonate fights this acid problem. Baking soda is what we call alkaline. That means when you eat it, it increases the pH level of your urine, making it less acidic. Making your urine less acidic makes it harder for pesky kidney stones to form, since they prefer to grow in acidic conditions. Number 8. Antifungal properties. Did you know that baking soda can mess with the strength of fungal cells? This meddling can weaken the cells, so they have difficulty dealing with things around them and can't keep going strong. Moreover, it can suck the moisture out of these cells, making them extremely dry. This could slow down their growth, maybe even causing these cells to die, which makes baking soda helpful for treating fungal skin infections. But you might be wondering, how can you use this stuff to get these benefits? Well, just mix baking soda with water to make a mushy mixture, which you can then spread over the affected area. If you have toe fungus, another option is to dunk your feet in a solution of baking soda. It can be pretty useful. A scientific study examined how well baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, fights fungi. They tested 70 different types of fungi from skin and nail infections. It turns out that with just a concentration of 10 grams per litre of sodium bicarbonate, about 80% of these fungi were stopped in their tracks. Also, the study observed 24 medical samples and found that nearly 79% of them showed total stoppage of fungus growth when treated with sodium bicarbonate. Number 7. Teeth whitening. Having a bright white smile can really boost your self-confidence. It shows that you don't really have to break the bank to buy those expensive teeth whitening kits or pay for professional dental whitening procedures. A simple household item, baking soda, can help lighten your teeth. However, remember to use it sensibly to avoid any adverse effects. Brush your teeth with baking soda in a balanced way, using less pressure than necessary to avoid wearing down your teeth. If you haven't visited your dentist in a long time, remember that teeth discoloration may be a sign of a dental issue. Here's how to use baking soda to whiten your teeth. Mix 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, 1.5 to 3 grams of baking soda with water. Use a ratio of 2 parts baking soda to 1 part water to create a paste. Gently brush your pearly whites with this baking soda paste for around 1 to 2 minutes. Once you're done brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly. Repeat this process every other day for a maximum of 2 weeks. After that, reduce the frequency to only once or twice a week. Number 6. Insect bite stings. When you're out and about, sometimes insects, such as mosquitoes or bees, might bite or sting you. When they do this, they leave behind a particular substance, leading to itchiness, inflammation, and a reddish color in the region where you were bitten or stung. A simple kitchen ingredient, baking soda, can help ease that itch. This is because it can counteract some of the irritants that the insects leave on your skin. Moreover, with its alkaline properties, baking soda may help lessen the inflammation around the area of your bug bite or sting. This can make the impacted region feel less swollen and considerably more comfortable. Simply mix it with water to make a type of paste which can provide relief when applied to the skin. Particularly useful in soothing the bite or sting site, the simple paste can ease any pain or discomfort you may be feeling. Baking soda is a safe, natural solution for treating minor insect bites and stings. It's an easily accessible alternative that provides relief from these frequent irritations without the need for creams or ointments that contain chemicals. Number 5. Sunburn relief. Spending time outside can be great for your health and mood, but too much sun exposure can lead to painful sunburns. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the pain and discomfort of a sunburn. You can create a baking soda solution by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water and applying it to the affected area. This will help cool down the burn and relieve any itching or irritation. Additionally, adding a cup of baking soda to a lukewarm bath can relieve larger areas of sunburned skin. Number 4. Deodorant alternative. Many conventional deodorants contain chemicals that may be harmful to your health. Baking soda offers a natural and effective alternative for controlling body odor without harsh chemicals. Its alkaline nature helps balance the pH level on your skin, making it difficult for odor-causing bacteria to thrive. You can create your own DIY deodorant by mixing equal parts baking soda and cornstarch, then adding a few drops of essential oils for scent. This mixture can be applied directly to your underarms as needed. Number 3. Reduce muscle fatigue. When we exert our bodies through exercise and our muscles get tired, a substance known as lactic acid is released into our blood, making it more acidic. This can lead to a condition often called exercise-induced acidosis, which can cause muscle soreness. In simpler terms, baking soda, being an alkaline substance, counterbalances the acidity in our blood. It neutralizes the acid, thus relieving muscle soreness. One of the many benefits of consuming water mixed with baking soda during workouts is that it helps maintain a balanced blood pH level. Furthermore, it raises the limit for lactic acid production in our blood, reducing the overall feeling of strain during exercise. It's generally suggested that 0.3 grams of baking soda be consumed per kilogram of body weight. So, if a person weighs 70 kilograms, they should add about 20 grams of baking soda to a liter of water. However, it's important to note that this quantity has sometimes caused stomach discomfort in athletes to the extent that it hinders their ability to finish their training sessions. Researchers from Essex discovered that reducing the intake to 0.2 grams of baking soda per kilogram of body weight improves aerobic performance and reduces stomach discomfort for long-distance athletes. Finally, it's crucial to remember to drink baking soda water gradually and not gulp it down all at once. This way, your stomach can adjust to the alkalinity and you won't feel bloated. Number 2. Cancer treatment. Cancer cells usually thrive and multiply in an environment that is high in acidity. If we manage to lower the level of acidity in our bodies, it might discourage the growth and spread of these harmful cells. Among the ways to accomplish this is by using baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, which naturally neutralizes acid. In simpler terms, when you take baking soda, it can raise your body's pH levels. The result of this is a less acidic environment, which might be less welcoming for the growth of cancer cells. Several research, including those involving animal tests, have studied how baking soda can impact tumor acidity. For example, a study presented in Cancer Research indicated that when mice were injected with bicarbonate, it lowered the acidity in tumors and also decreased the speed of spread of metastatic breast cancer. In certain situations, chemotherapy drugs might struggle to work effectively because they find it hard to penetrate tumors that are too acidic. This is why scientists have considered utilizing antacid medicines, including baking soda and chemotherapy. Number 1. Relieve urinary tract infections. It's well known that urinary tract infections, UTIs, can be quite severe for many people. However, did you know that a common household item like baking soda might actually be beneficial? In case you weren't aware, baking soda, when consumed, can help balance the pH of your urine. Some experts believe that this might create unfavorable conditions for bacteria that cause UTIs. Reducing urine acidity could slow down their growth, which in turn could potentially ease the sting of urinating, a discomfort often experienced during a UTI. In a study, 33 women suffering from urinary problems and acidic urine were given a solution of sodium bicarbonate, another name for baking soda, twice a day for 4 weeks. Each dose was 4 grams. The result of this treatment were quite promising as their urine became less acidic, indicating an increase in pH levels. There was also a decrease in urinary conditions such as urinating often, particularly during the night and urgency. Not only this, but their quality of life scores and symptoms improved significantly as well, suggesting that baking soda might be an easy, low-cost and effective treatment for women dealing with such urinary issues. So that concludes our list of the top 9 benefits of baking soda. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you know about any other uses or benefits of baking soda that we missed, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.